Arnie Shields. So just type in a @ and then Arnie Shields like that. Arnie Shields just happens to be the boss of this huge accounting firm in North Sydney. And he happens to be one of the Aussie online entrepreneurs as well. And he sells 5 products in America. He is extremely good and has helped lots and lots of people, including myself, set up their businesses perfectly. He also specializes in setting up UK businesses if you're in Australia. So you may want to consider that. Arnold's very, very good. He does a solid job. And if you call Dolman Bateman and say to them, you are one of the Aussie online entrepreneurs, can you claim your free 30-minute session with an accountant? Then accountant, usually actually Arnold, will sit with you and answer all your questions about, in your case, selling things on Amazon. All right, so that's what I would do if I were in your shoes. Now, my two pence worth, because we're POMs for this particular question, my 2 pence worth is that it is definitely worth, if you can afford it, getting a PTY Ltd company, or in this case, a limited company in the UK. It's definitely worth it because it affords you protection. There's also, of course, the VAT threshold as well that you can get through that. And more importantly, it enables you to sell into Europe much easier. And another thing as well, if you're sourcing your products in the UK to sell in the UK and you've got a limited company, you'll get taken much more seriously by your potential wholesalers or suppliers, whatever it is too. So there's quite a number of different benefits. If you can afford it, it's definitely worth it. But regardless, everybody on this call, everybody watching this recording, hit the guys up at Dolman Bateman. I mean, they're fantastic and they really understand Amazon at a high level. Let him know that you're in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. He'll come check that you're in there, because apparently they've had loads and loads of folks saying they're in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs that actually aren't. So now they come and check. Well, Arnie does. They'll just check that you're in there. If you are, you're good as gold. You're good to go, and you'll get that free session with Arnold. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.